front door. Up the stairs. Shut the front door.
Still here.
Under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again.